Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I have a little video that's a little bit different. A few days ago I posted a picture on my Instagram regarding my all glowing gray hair journey that I've been deciding. Hopefully I can stick with it. I did make a note that I have been taking some collagen and people have been asking me questions regarding the collagen. I decided to make a little quick video as far as what I have been taking lately and how it's benefited me, at least from what I have known. I usually take collagen in the morning time. I have already done my morning workout here at the house, and so I am going to have a cup of coffee. I'm going to share with you how I prepare my cup of coffee. We'll take you along and show you all of the ingredients and everything else that I use for my morning cup of coffee with collagen. And it has been helping me out. My hair was a lot shorter, and even though I have a lot thinner hair than what I did previously before pregnancy, it's still growing and it looks pretty healthy and pretty good, even though I do need a little trim. But with that is that obviously I have a lot quicker growth on my hair in regards to my grays. I will share with you how I prepare my morning cup of coffee with collagen and which collagen I use, and I will link in the description box below where I get my collagen, just in case you are interested in purchasing and trying it for yourself. Here I'm using my everyday coffee, which is crema coffee. This is a Puerto Rican style coffee that I get in my local Latin stores here in the supermarkets, and just filling it up in my reusable K-cup here. This is the particular collagen that I use, which is collagen peptides with bone broth. I did get this through Amazon, and I will have all of the ingredients and everything I use in the description box below. And then I had someone sneak up on me. And instead of regular sugar, I use the Simply Nature coconut sugar. I just put it in a little container just like this and add a few scoops to your liking. Get that cup of coffee brewing and ready to go. By the way, did you guys notice the vintage t-shirt I was wearing? I know I'm not the only one with the vintage favorite t-shirt, so let me know in the comment section below if you do have one and what design it has in the front. While my coffee continues to brew, I just simply start working on getting my creamer going. I'm just using regular creamer. You can use the one of your preference or almond creamer, and I place it in the microwave for about 55 seconds. At this point, my coffee is done brewing, so I bring it right back to the kitchen area, and with a little battery operated frother, I got this one at IKEA for about under $3, and I start frothing the black coffee to make sure the collagen and my sugars are all blended well, and then I will froth my creamer that is nice and warm and ready to go and pour it into my coffee to enjoy. Prepare my coffee and how I like it and how I enjoy it. The fact that it's creamy, flavorless as far as the collagen powder goes, and you're getting your daily dose of collagen, because the older we get, we do lose collagen. And if you can get collagen with bone broth, which is why I use this one specifically, I have noticed a significant growth in my hair, in my nails. I also have had issues with my joints as far as arthritis, and this also, along with some vitamins that I have been taking, have not only helped my joints but my skin as well. I'm 41 years old, and so we come to that age where we do lose collagen and all of that stuff. But this one is pure grass-fed, hydrolyzed collagen peptides and bone broth. It's good, it supports your bones and joints, and it's healthy for your hair, skin, and nails. It builds muscle and repairs the tissues, and it boosts your immune system, and it's also good for your digestive health and anti-aging effects. So anytime that you can get all of that together, obviously that is great. There's different ways that you can actually get your daily dose of collagen. Again, there's the pill version. I just use this one and I just scoop it into my coffee. You could also make smoothies. In the back they also have some instructions on how you can go ahead and do a warrior strong smoothie. So kind of give you a little mini recipe in there so that you can have your daily dose of collagen, which is, it's beneficial from your inside out. I've been taking this for over 6 months now and I love it. My hair was short before and did not grow as quickly as it did before. And so I do have some length now compared to before. And my hair was falling out a lot more than what it is since I began using the collagen. The thing that I do for myself, along with taking some vitamins, and some of the vitamins that I take are like olive leaf, which is beneficial for you. I also take turmeric and I also take omega-3. And if you're also interested, the coffee that I use, it is the Puerto Rican coffee, Café Crema, which is delicious. This is not everywhere, but if you have a Spanish local foods, you can definitely find it there. I just purchased this, or if I go back to the island, I just bring a couple of the bags, coffee bags with me. I just reuse the K-cup and refill it here. And then as far as the sugar goes, I did show you that I use the Simply Nature organic coconut sugar. It is only 30 calories for 2 teaspoons. I might put a few squirts of the stevia into my coffee and then cut it down to 1 teaspoon of, or half a teaspoon of coconut sugar, which is better than, you know, the brown sugar. It's better than the granulated sugar. I found this one at Aldi's, so that is great because coconut sugar can definitely be a lot more expensive in the other grocery stores. Notice the benefits not only in my hair and the strength in my nails, because my nails were brittle and very thin. They're definitely a lot thicker, and it takes a lot to, you know, have nail breakage. So here she's kind of like watching a little bit of Lady in the Tramp over there. I am in this new kind of hair growth journey that I am attempting to stick with, and trying to find hair products that will keep my hair looking vibrant. And if these young girls can do it when they dye their hair gray, when they don't have the gray, then I'm gonna try to rock my hair a lot better than they can. I still very heavily hydrate my skin and add all of my skincare products like I do every single day in the morning time and in the evening to continue to keep my face hydrated. There are little things that you can do to kind of help from the inside out and notice a tremendous change and a tremendous difference in my body. I had to get to a point where I needed infusions and injections for my joint pain, and depending on the type of insurance that you have, it can be extremely expensive. By doing and tweaking little things, that has helped me out greatly, and I feel a lot better. And I don't get as much as joint pain as I used to the point where I would have needed help from my husband to help me around the house and getting dressed, or help me with, you know, the 3-year-old here at the house. This is something I say you're never too early to try collagen. Maybe in your 20s, you do lose collagen as we age. I'm not an expert on collagen. However, if I did not mention anything in the video, then I will leave it in the description box below, so you go and check it out there, and maybe share in the comment section below some of your thoughts and ideas and maybe your experiences if you have taken any collagen. I have not noticed any negative effects from the collagen that I have been taking. It has not affected my skin in any way. If anything, it has given my skin a glow. That's all that I have for you today. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this small little video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Maybe share the video with someone. So if this is a type of video that you enjoyed, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, share the video for somebody who might need it, and I will see you guys in the next video.